All right, so we just made a 3-to-1 ratio, 3 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon, and we tried it with, there is a recipe, there's a video on how to make these Wild Harvest elk meatballs, and I had some cornbread mix, and that actually had the idea to start a hot honey and a little bit of barbecue sauce. So now we're just gonna do a little dip. Did you ever put barbecue sauce on your cornbread? That's really good. And of course, now we're just gonna do the pure. That pours nicely. That, oh my gosh, that is amazing.